and if we have here like a equal, we will see that we don't have this not equal, but this will execute anyway. So let's check. This will execute anyway. So on our example, we can write like else, and now we will see only this else statement. So this is else. And what we can see, it's not working like that, because Python needs everywhere to add spaces, because it's this kind of programming language that we need to use spaces everywhere to make the syntax is clear. So here we have indentation error, expected and intended block. So okay, so what we can do here is just to hit tab, and that's it. After that, the program works perfectly. So here is example how to use this else statement. Okay, so what is more I want to show you today is basically while, for example. It's a very popular loop in every programming language, so it is important to use it. So here we have different kind of operators like or, and, something like that. So what we can write here, I make it a little bit bigger to easier to see. And here we have our two variables as well. Yeah. So while a not equals, that's right, not equals to b, and okay, at first, okay, and s equal to s1, and okay, let's make them equal the same. So here we can see that here we like using single parenthesis, and here we are using like a double parenthesis, this symbol. And after that we can do something. So it can be like our operation like 5, or no, not 5, but a, just we are dividing by 2. So how many 2 are actually by b? So how many b are in our a? Okay, and here we can do something like div. It's just a name of a variable. You can name it anyway. It can be like name or any something, that doesn't matter. So after that we can print something. So we can print a result, for example, like that. Here we can see how we are making the variables, and at the moment I will show you another way how you can output your text. So for example, let's write like that. Yeah, it will be here, and here we are writing our division result is, and our variable name. So it will gives us this kind of output. So let's check what happens. And here we have like syntax error. I do this because I want to show you how the errors are looking in the Python language. So here we have like file text. After that we have like line 7. We can see line 7 over here. And after that we can see like this AND operator is good. It's actually working, like, because we have all these operators, and we have syntax error. After that we can use actually all these syntax errors and another errors. We can catch them through the try block, like in every programming language we can do. So here is the Python is not an exception. We can do with Python as well. So I will show you in the next lectures, but here I can show you how to deal with this error message. So at the moment we can see we have unlimited unlimited loop. This is because we have not equal to always. Yeah, so we haven't put like our end statement of this execution. So what we can do here easily, like we learned before, we can write mix on another kind of a variable. It will be like I, like in every programming language already we know that. Actually people who already programmed in any programming language, we know that. If you don't know it, it's okay, just watch and you will learn. So after that we have our I, and on every actually here we can see another operation in Python. We can write like that. So this means that in every operation we have this I, and it will add 1 each time. And here we can make like our end of this while loop condition. So for example, we can write while a not equal to b, and for example I is less than, for example okay, for example like it can be okay 100, let's write, and we need to a little bit, I would say let's make a different condition, because at the moment it will look not nice. So what we can do here, we can just write I, and it will add each time 1. So like that we will get our calculation until 100. So let's check how it will looks like. So here we have our all numbers from 1 to 100, and actually here we can do some basic operations as well. So for example, what we can do else, we can make like a if, and for example we can write something like that. Yeah, so divided by 2. So this division actually gives us like a float number. You will get after zero you will get like some result, and it will gives you this kind of result. So here we can write like that, this kind of instruction. So it will gives you only these numbers which are divisible by 2. So at the moment, if we execute this program, we will see that nothing changes. Okay, so what is the reason of that? We need to write actually here after the if statement this kind of clause, and after that we can write something like that. So let's do like that. Let's check what happens at the moment, and here we are. So at the moment we can see only these numbers which are not divisible by 2. Actually, if we want to get only these numbers which are divisible by 2, we can write equal to. So it will be like that. So here we have at the moment all numbers which are divisible by 2. So starting from 2, because 0, 1 is not our case, and it's working like that. So, what next? I think for this tutorial it will be enough, because thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.